Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing this hair from CurlsCurls. It is a 4B4C Afro Kinky clip-ins. So this is what it comes in this cute satin bag, and it comes with a guide, like a manual, which guides you on what you're going to get once you unbox this, as well as how you're going to prep your hair from cleansing down to the conditioning process, and as well as the installation process for this clip-in. So also talks about the recommended products and also some frequently asked questions, just in case you're curious about anything. So yeah, it comes with 3 extra clips which you can use, and this is actually what the hair comes like. So it has a very nice kinky texture to it. I mean, these are Afro Kinky clip-ins, so it has like that nice Afro texture, that nice kinky texture to it, and this is the curl pattern. So to prep my hair, I went ahead to use some warm water and some cleansing shampoo, which is my palm olive milk and honey shampoo, right? So this is what I used. I do wish that I didn't have to go through all of this to have my extensions on. I mean, if I'm someone who's always on the go, I just need to grab my extensions and then have them on, right? So I do wish I didn't have to prep the hair. I wish it was like an on-the-go extension. I just put it on and that's it. But prepping the hair actually makes it a lot more soft. I mean, once you get the hair, it's not gonna feel soft, but after prepping the hair, it actually feels a lot more soft. So I believe that's the whole goal of the prepping process. But for me, I do feel like I want something which is quite fast and very fast to install. But this is my Tresemme conditioner, which I use to prep my hair. And if you guys notice, I'm not using any sort of comb. I am actually just using my fingers to detangle, because I don't want to spoil the curl pattern, and it's actually recommended to use your fingers to detangle. So that is what I'm doing. And yeah, so this is the curls, this is what they look like. And I just did this and left this in for about 3 to 5 minutes, just so that the conditioner can really get into the strands of the hair, right? So, and I didn't loosen up my bundles yet, because I really wanted to be fast, because again, I'm someone that's always on the go. So having them, like, cutting your bundles before going ahead to prep them is actually going to take a lot more time. So I washed and conditioned all of them together. That way it was faster for me. I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying, but yeah. So this is what we're looking like right now. This is the curl pattern, which is absolutely amazing, absolutely beautiful. I love the curl pattern. And after my conditioning process, I realized that the hair began to shed. It didn't shed as much, guys, so we're good to go. I'm going to show you guys how much of this hair came off. So this is exactly how much came out of the hair. So just a tiny ball of hair which actually came off from the prepping process. So it's a good buy. So yeah, this is what the hair looks like. I went ahead to rinse off the conditioner, and yeah. So now we're good to go. So I went ahead to cut this off, and then I started to unravel, and it was quite easy, guys. This hair is pretty soft, guys. You guys need to experience this, trust me. So it was really easy to like remove and separate the wefts from each other. So I used the hanger, and then I just clipped them on, because you're actually supposed to allow this to air dry. So just air dry this, and after air drying, you can now go ahead into the installation process, right? So this was what I did, and then I just did all of this for all the wefts, and I was good to go. Okay, so this is after the hair is completely dry. This is what it looks like, and I went ahead to install this. I actually prepped my hair once more with a leave-in conditioner, but I did this after installation, right? So I'm going to show you guys after the whole installation process. So for clip-ins, you know, you have the clips, and then you have to open them up, and then once you have them on your hair, and you secure them on your hair by clipping them back to close them, right? So that's what you're supposed to do, just so that it's secured and it's in place and it doesn't fall off. So that was what I did for the whole head, and this bundle came in 10 wefts. It came with 10 wefts, 10 pieces of hair, and I ended up using just 9, and I left just a tiny piece out. So one pack of this hair is enough for a full head. Installation process took me quite a while, because it wasn't quite easy to have those clip-ins secured. So that was what took most of my time, trying to secure the clips on my cornrows, right? So yeah, so that took a little bit of my time. Apart from that, the installation process is easy. Yeah, this is just me applying my leave-in conditioner just to soften the hair a little bit more. And then I went ahead to loosen up my twist. I had my hair in like flat twist, and this is my own curl pattern, right? So I just loosened this up. So after loosening this up, I had like a section to cover the extensions from showing, and then I had like a center parting just so that we can have that nice look. So if you're looking for, or if you want to recreate this particular look, then you just need to have out some of your hair in front, which you can use to blend in. So to blend this hair together with my own natural hair, I brought out some of the extensions and brought them to the top and sent some of my hair beneath. I don't know if that makes sense, but just so that the hair kind of blends together. So it's like taking some of the extensions, bringing them upwards, taking some of my hair and then sending them downwards, right? So I also use some Eco Styler gel just for my edges. I didn't use this on any other part of my hair, so just for my edges. And this is what we're looking like. And I didn't use all the wefts, I just left out one, and this is how full it came out. So 220 grams, 18 inches, and this is what we're looking like. So this is the finished look, guys. So this is how it blended into my natural hair, as you guys can see from this video. And yeah, so this is the final look, guys. If you guys are interested in getting this hair, there's gonna be a link in the description box, so you can do well to check that out. And you're also gonna be able to save some cash if you use my link to get this hair. So check out the description box and do well to visit the link. Okay, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.